Hello and welcome back to DIY Home of Mine. Let's make some grow bags today for container gardening. For container gardening, grow bags are very good alternative to plastic planters. They are biodegradable, they are breathable and also very inexpensive to buy. Just compare $4 to $5 for a grow bag to $20 or more for a plastic planter. In fact, I was not able to get grow bags in the size I needed. Everywhere I checked, either they were sold out or were on back order and were not going to be available until the end of June, which would have been kind of late to plant vegetables here in Canada. So I did what any other DIY would have done in this situation. I made my own grow bags. They are very easy and quick to make, and also you can customize them to suit your needs. So I have read very many good things about grow bags, but this is my very first time using them. So in some later video at the end of this season, I will share my experience with grow bags, the amount of crop I got from them and all. And also I will do a comparison video of grow bags, plastic planters and wooden planters. But for now, let me give you 8 tips to sew your own grow bags for less than $1 a bag. Yes, you heard that right, less than $1 per bag. Okay, tip number one, buy the best landscaping fabric available to you because it's going to hold a lot of weight of soil and the plants, so it better be good. And the price difference between a good landscaping fabric and not so good one is not that big. So it's worth paying few extra bucks and it pays you back in the long run. Oh, so let me show you up close the one I am using. So I bought this from, disclaimer, this is not a sponsored post. My local Home Depot just happened to have this one, so I bought it. This is by BioGrow. This fabric even has some, these I think metal wires, very fine metal wires, something, I don't know what they are, but this seems very strong and strong fabric. Yeah, this landscaping fabric had lifetime warranty. I don't know what that means. A lifetime warranty of the fabric of the yard, I don't know. And it was a couple of dollars more than the 15-year warranty one, so I bought this one. And from one roll you can make lots of bags, so it's worth spending a couple of dollars extra. Now that you know the kind of fabric you need to buy, but how much fabric you need. So that brings me to my tip number 2. Do your calculation before you head out to make the purchase. There is this really good website, Grow Your Heirlooms. The guy has done all the complicated math for you. So he has a really good chart that gives you the size of, the length and width of the bags, ranging from 1 gallon to all the way up to I think 30-gallon bags. I'll link his website in the description down below. You can go ahead and check that. So you don't need to do that complicated math, but of course you need to calculate how many bags you want to make and the size of the bags. So yeah, and these landscaping fabrics, they come in rolls mostly, and they come in the width of 3 feet, 4 feet and I think 6 feet, and in the length of 50 feet, 100 feet, 200 and even 300. So let me give you an example. Okay, I am making mostly 5-gallon bags. I bought a 4 feet by 50 feet roll, and that will yield me 36 bags with very little wastage. But if I had bought a 3 feet by 50 feet roll, the length is same, only the width is now 3 feet rather than 4 feet. So that would have yielded me 25 bags with some wastage. And the price difference between a 3 feet wide roll and a 4 feet wide roll was only $2. So this one is a better buy for me. 4 feet by 50 feet roll. But hey, you have to make your own calculation and see if you want to make 7 gallon bags or 1 gallon, 3 gallons. So you have to make your own calculations. Let's assume that you have bought the fabric. So now let's cut the fabric to make the bags, to sew the bags. So, and head out to the cutting station, which is right here on the ground. Okay. All right, all ready to cut the fabric. So for that I have tip number 3. If you are making 1 or 2 bags or even 3 bags, it's okay to measure each individual piece and then cut it. But if you are batching out multiple bags just like me, then it's a good idea to have a template which makes the job of cutting the fabric for individual bags much quicker than measuring each piece individually and then cut it. I have this cardboard piece on which I have made marks for width and length of the fabric. I just match the fabric to these marks and then make the mark and then cut it, which is much quicker than individually measuring and then cutting. Let's do the cutting. Has been cut to size, it's time to sew the bags, which brings me to my next tip, tip number 4. Use the proper outdoor grade thread. Do not use ordinary thread, polyester or cotton, which is not going to last in the elements outdoor. In the elements, they will not withstand heat, cold, rain, snow, whatever. Yeah, so I am using this upholstery thread because I had this on hand. Because of this pandemic, stores are not open for non-essential items and this is not an essential item. So I'm using upholstery thread, but definitely use either upholstery thread or any outdoor grade thread, but do not use any ordinary thread, even in the bobbin. Yes. Okay, before we start sewing, my next tip is tip number 5, which is to label the sides and the top. Because if it's a square size, it does not matter which way you sew the bag. But if the fabric is in the shape of a rectangle, you might sew on the wrong side. So it's always a good idea to mark the sides which are going to be top and where we need to make the hemline. Yeah, so these are the sides, this is the top where I'm going to sew the hem. And that brings me to my next tip, tip number 6. Because landscaping fabric is a non-woven fabric, so the edges will not fray at the cut ends. Although it's not necessary, but it's a good idea to hem the top. Hemming takes only a minute and it makes the edges stiffer and bag sturdier. Yeah. So I am sewing in a way that the dull side will be on the inside of the bag and this a bit shinier side will be on the outside. So yeah. Okay, after hemming the top sides, so now we will sew the sides. So joining the right sides together, keeping these on the hem side like this outside. So I'll join now the sides. All the now sides have been sewed together. So now comes the tip number 7, which is double seam all the sides. I always do a single seam on the hem because it doesn't matter much here, but I double seam on the sides for stability and strength. Okay, so basic bag is done. There's nothing much to it, just hem the sides like top and then join the two sides, and this is just basic bag. but it's just a bag. Grow bag, although it's called a grow bag, but it's not actually a bag. It's a box with open top. So we need to make this into a top with flat bottom so that it can easily rest on ground. I don't know how to explain. Let me show you how we do it. We spread bottom like this, both sides. Okay, so this is bottom where you can see a small indent where it was folded, and so these two lines, this sew line and this, they should match, but it's hard to see if they are matching or not. I'm just eyeballing it. For these 5-gallon bags, bottom we need at 12 inches wide. So what I'm gonna do is measure 6 inches on both sides of this line, and then I join those points and then sew on that line. Let me bring you up close and show you what I'm gonna do. Okay, let's again pleat the bottom. This is so join this seam to the middle seam. Like, there's no seam, but there's some indentation here in the middle. So join these two together. So this is the seam. So from seam to one end, because I'm making this 12 inches wide, the bottom, so from seam to one end do 6 inches and 12. Edge to edge 12 and 6 right in the middle. And then pin it. So now sew along this line and then cut away this end. I'm doing double seam on here also. Okay, now cut away this part. We don't need this part, so I'll keep about 3/8 of an inch along the seam line and cut away the rest. That's it, almost ready. Okay, now the bag is all ready. We can put soil and plants in here, but that brings me to my last step of this tutorial, which is to put handles on the bags. If the bag is 3-gallon or less, you don't need to, because that won't be much heavy to lift it and move it around. But bags 4 or 5 gallons and above, definitely we should have handles on them for the ease of moving them around. So for the handles, I'm using this 1-inch nylon. I think it's a nylon strap. This is a ratchet. This was the whole set, ratchet tie down from hardware section of my Home Depot, but you can get this from any hardware store. Edges of the strap, either I can hem or I'll go easier out, and I'm gonna heat set these so that they don't fray. That's it. So they won't fray anymore. Yeah. An alternative to this nylon strap is also a strap you can sew yourself out of outdoor fabric or any thick cotton or canvas, or even strong any polyester nylon fabric, which should be strong enough to hold the weight of the bag. I mixed triple mix and potting soil half and half to fill the grow bags. Okay, now let's break down the price per bag. Although I made different size bags, but let's do the pricing for 5-gallon bags, which is pretty common size to grow vegetables. You can make 36 5-gallon bags from a roll of 4 feet wide and 50 feet long roll. So landscaping fabric roll $15, thread to sew the bags $5, for handles ratchet tie pack, a pack of 4 15 feet long rolls for $8, in total $28 for 36 bags. Or if you don't want handles, you can skip the ratchet tie rolls and then it's only $20 in total. So only 56 cents per bag without handles and 78 cents per bag with handles. Not too bad, huh? So I made 10 5-gallon bags, 6 3 to 4-gallon bags, 2 of these rectangular bags, I think they are about 3 gallon, and still I have about more than half of the fabric roll left with which I can make many more bags. It's kind of drizzling out here. Yeah, so that wraps up today's video. I hope it was well worth your time. I will see you next soon with another awesome DIY project. Until then, take care and also sew some grow bags.